In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate HubSpot with Facebook ads for 2020. This full tutorial will guide you through each step, ensuring a seamless connection between these two powerful platforms. So grab your computers, get comfortable, and let's dive right in. First, make your way to the HubSpot trial guide page, which is the starting point of our journey. Once you've navigated there successfully, you'll notice several options, but what we want to focus on is the marketplace. This is where HubSpot centralizes all applications and integrations you might need. Click on Marketplace to proceed. Now that you've landed in the Marketplace section, the next step is to find the section labeled Apps. Clicking on Apps will open a new set of options available for integrations, showcasing a wide pool of possibilities to enhance your HubSpot experience. This is the home for all potential extensions you might look into. But today, our focus is on connecting with Facebook ads, so let's get to it. In the search bar at the top, type in Meta Ads. This is the key phrase we'll use to pinpoint the exact tool that bridges HubSpot to your Facebook advertising efforts. As you type, suggestions might appear, but continue to enter the full term and hit Enter or click the search icon to filter through the applications. Look for the entry labeled Meta Ads once your search results appear. Clicking on it will lead you straight to the details page. Here, you find everything you'll need to know about the integration itself, from capabilities and requirements to user reviews and detailed setup guides. Spend a moment browsing this page to get familiar with what's required and the benefits you can anticipate from using Meta Ads through HubSpot. Next, spot the button labeled App Install. This is your gateway to adding the Meta Ads application to your HubSpot setup and effectively linking it with your Facebook ads account. Double-check that you're logged in with the correct HubSpot account to ensure a smooth installation process. Once you've clicked on App Install, follow the prompts to authorize the application. You might need to authenticate your Facebook ads account, so ensure you have your credentials handy. With these steps completed, Meta Ads will seamlessly integrate with your HubSpot account, paving the way for efficient management of your advertisement endeavors directly through HubSpot's interface. Congratulations, you've successfully integrated HubSpot with Facebook ads for the upcoming year. With this setup, you're now positioned to streamline your marketing efforts, track advertising performance with increased accuracy, and ultimately drive more effective marketing strategies. Remember to explore further customization options available within Meta Ads to fully leverage the potential of this integration. Thank you for joining me, and good luck with your enhanced marketing journey.